Good morning, children. I, Pooja Gurana, will discuss a few lines about the fiber and the fabrics. Then, before starting, I hope you all will listen carefully. Fiber to fabric. Learning objective: clothing, wool, silk. Clothing is one of the basic need of life. They protect ourselves from cold, heat, rain, dust and insects. We wear clothes depending on the seasons as follows: number 1 in summer season, number 2 in winter season, and number 3 in rainy season. The material that is used to make clothes is called fabric. The material that is used to make clothes is called fabric. What is fiber? Fiber is soft, flexible, hair like filament. Fiber is soft, flexible, hair like filaments. Fibers are classified into natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Number 1, natural fibers. Natural fibers are fibers we obtain from natural sources like plants and animals. Plant fibers, cotton, hemp, jute, etc. are called plant fibers. The base of plant fibers is cellulose, which is a material used by nature as a structural material in the plant world. And number 2, animal fibers, wool, silk and other fibers made from the hair, fibers of different animals. Wool, silk and other fibers made from the hair, fibers of different animals are called animal fibers. Wool comes mainly from the fleece of sheep. Silk is produced by cocoon spinning silkworm. Synthetic fibers. These fibers are fibers that are made by people using chemicals industries. Example: nylon, rayon, polyester. These fibers are fibers that are made by people using chemicals industries. Example: nylon, rayon, polyester, etc. Cotton, jute is a natural fiber. Wool, silk is a animal fiber. Nylon is a synthetic fiber. And next is wool. Wool is a natural fiber obtained from animal fleece. It is present as a thick coat of hair on the body of certain animals. Wool is used for making winter clothing. Wool is used for making winter clothing which keep us warm. Sheep are the main source of wool. Sheep are the main source of wool in the world. We also obtain wool from camel, goat and rabbit. And next, type of wool. The type wool that is sheep produced varies by breed. From example, merino sheep. Merino sheep produced merino wool that is very fine. A few breed of sheep: Bhakarwal, Jammu Kashmir for woolen shawls. Loi, Punjab and Rajasthan, good quality of wool. Nali, Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan, coarse wool. Marwadi, Gujarat for sweaters. Patanwadi, Gujarat, carpet wool. The production process: shearing. The process of removal of the fleece from an animal is called shearing. The process of removal of the fleece from an animal is called shearing. Scouring. The process of washing sheared wool with detergent to remove dust, dirt and grease is known as scouring. Grease is known as scouring. Sorting and grading. The process of separating damaged wool from the fleece and separating the wool fibers. Separating the wool fibers obtained from different body parts is called sorting and grading. Carding. The clean selected wool fibers are passed through rollers. This strengthens the fibers and removes the unwanted matter. The fibers are scoured again and dried. The fibers are scoured again and dried. Dyeing. As the natural color of fleece is brown, white or black, the fibers are dyed in different colored wool. The fibers are dyed in different color wool. Spinning. The fibers are covered, strained, washed, twisted and spun into yarn. And next is weaving. After spinning, the pieces of yarn get interlocked at right angles to one another. Ship fleece, shearing. Fleece, wash fleece, scouring. Wash, dyed fleece, spinning, sorting, grading, carding and dyeing. Spinning, yarn, sweater, woolen fabrics. Sweater, knitting, woolen fabric is weaving. Uses of wool. Wool is used for making blankets and carpets. Wool is used for making blankets and carpets. It is used for making clothes, shawls, fabrics, etc. And next, silk. Silk is a fiber produced by the silkworm. Silk is a fiber produced by the silkworms. Is a luxurious material which is expensive. It is used in fine fabrics and textiles. It is lustrous, hard-wearing, strong, soft and is produced in long continuous strands. Silk is produced by moth known as a silk moth. The scientific name for the silk producing moth is Bombyx mori. Egg hatched, aunt newly hatched, first molt, second molt, third molt, fourth molt, fifth molt, mature silkworms, cocoon, fresh cocoon with pupa, and last is silk moth. And next topic is uses of silk. Silk is used for making clothes. It is used in parachutes, bicycle tires, bulletproof vest, etc. It is used as non-absorbable sutures in surgery. Silk producing states of India. Mulberry silk is the main variety of silk produced in India. India is the second largest producer of silk in the world after China. India is the second largest producer of silk in the world after China. States such as Madhya Pradesh, Assam and Odisha also produce silk. Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh produce 90% of mulberry silk.